Well, if you haven't been living in a cave out in the middle of nowhere with no contact with civilization, you may not know this next drawing. But otherwise, you're probably going to be pretty familiar with the logo from Hello Kitty. It's pretty much plastered everywhere in the world on every product that you can imagine. So, after seeing it so much, you probably will be able to draw this by heart without even looking at the drawing. But we've got a really cute rendition right here for you to follow. Get out your pink. You need pink for Hello Kitty. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Let's add some color to this drawing now. We'll speed up the video. Pause or reduce the speed if you need to. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.